Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is for us to explore the video archive of the old-time exemplars of our art. So you can do that these days at the library or online with some ease. And what I invite you to do is watch a few different recordings of the same person, perhaps doing different things, but a few different recordings of the same old-timey master. Maybe you've studied them before, maybe you're just casually aware of them, maybe you just maybe have heard the name perhaps, but haven't really seen them. But the idea is to just kind of let their manner of practice wash over you, wash through you, and be reflected in your practice this week or this day. And so I'm not particularly trying to say study what they're doing and repeat it. I'm not even trying to say get that one thing that they do exactly right. Rather, I'm trying to invite you to become inspired by their rhythm, their hesitations, their postural quirk, their placement of their eyes in their form, their breathing pattern, the height of their stepping, right? So something that varies from you or from your teacher and might be a quirk of their person, might be a feature of their mastery, and it might be just a part of their style. You might not know that. But try and let the inspiration of their unique character or characteristics inspire you to the point that it appears in your practice, at least for a time, right? Try and embody those without body. And while you're at it, study the ancestors. Thank you.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.